How to get your Payoneer account approved and verified fast. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can get your Payoneer account verified quickly and very fast. So obviously, when your Payoneer account is created, it's going to ask you a few questions related to your account, which is going to be, connecting your bank account to, actually start getting money. So to do that, you can either go into bank accounts as so, and over here, it's going to ask you to, move to bank account withdrawals, or you can just come over to your settings over here. Now, as you can see here in verification center, I have a few things that I need to verify. So you can start sending payment to requests to your clients. So to get fully verified in the quickest and easiest way, please do make sure to provide the most, accurate information you can that they're asking. Because when it comes to your bank verification or main account verification, it asks for your passport or national ID number. So just make sure to keep it as clear as possible, and do make sure to contact them once you have sent your verification, because that speeds up the process. My verification was done in about, I guess, a day. So that's the most they take. So yeah, just follow these steps and your account will be approved and verified fast. And again, you can reach their customer help by just going on payoneer.custhelp.com, reach them out, be like, hi, I sent a verification, I've sent the proper details, when will it get verified? And it should get verified pretty quickly after that. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.